Hey guys, so welcome back to my journey of training for the 5K. I have to say, last night I really thought I would make it, but it turns out I didn't. So I got through the first set of 13-minute run, 1-minute walk, and then as I was about 30% of the way through the second set, I started getting dizzy. So I stopped and hydrated, but I had left my banana and orange in the car, so I never was able to get back out and continue my run. Neither here nor there, I decided to turn yesterday into just a light cross-training day to do what I did do, and then today I will get back out there and try again. So here's to those who want to get started and you feel like you might not make it because the first day was hard or the 10th day was hard or whatever it is. I say do what you can, listen to your body, and just get back out there and try again. And that's what I'm going to do today. Thank you all so much for your support. We are at week 3, day 6, and we're still in the game. Let's go.